Welcome back, Shade Squad. Today we are going to talk about... But first, make sure to knock out the like button in the next 5 seconds.
Do you ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me?
Welcome back to an emergency upload. I was not going to make a video today, but I figured, you know what, let's go. Because we got an announcement, deal to end U.S. government shutdown reportedly in reach. Senate Democrats today reportedly indicated they are ready to advance a package of bills that could end the government shutdown. So that's pretty much it. That's all we care about, right? The headline. I don't give a crap about I don't care about the rest of this. Nobody gives a damn. We just want to know, are we done here so we can go up, right? Because we've been dropping like crazy. But I've been telling you guys to buy the red, buy the crash, buy the fear. There's a lot of stocks at a massive discount. I cannot buy everything. I can't. I mean, I can't. I can't buy everything. I can't buy every single stock that's at a discount. I'm going to pick and choose my favorites, right? SoFi, SoundHound, Nvidia, Palantir, and the many others that are at massive 20% discounts, 50% discounts. If you're getting a discount on, literally a 20% discount on Nvidia, that's crazy. I'll take it, right? You remember the DeepSeek drop? Nothing more than opportunity. This is all this drop was. Nothing more than opportunity. If you were fearful, if you weren't buying, I don't know what to tell you. Because it was just, this is easy. I was actually hoping we continued to drop. I wanted a little more blood. I wanted like a whole month of red. Like I wanted deep discounts. This is kind of BS, actually. I'm kind of upset. Like, come on. Let it come down lower, please. Like, I wanted deep discounts. Me and Trucker Jeff, we love the deep discounts because that's where the real money's at. Well, Trucker Jeff has his wife's $25K to throw in a bear market, so that's why he was excited too. But it is what it is. Let's hope this follows. Let's hope this actually happens, because if the government does reopen, we are going to go back to highs. That's just what's going to happen. So, and this was going to happen at some point, whether it was this week, next week, a month from now, who knows? It was going to happen at some point. We were going to start recovering and everything's going to go up 10, 20%. Everyone's going to be excited. Woo, it's not the end of the world. It's just a pullback. Oh my God. Relax, people. Bitcoin already reacted by breaking out here. So... and it held 100K, surprisingly. But it's too early to celebrate. We'll see what actually comes of it. But, again, Bitcoin's already reacting. Either way, whether it drops or it goes up, we win either way. We win either way, depending on your mentality. It's all about that mentality. It's all about that mindset. Anyways, if you weren't embracing the red, loving the red, I don't know what to tell you. But let's go over the stocks that are at deep discounts, that are near the purple line, that you should be buying right now. Let's go. NVTS, purple line. Look at that. Look at that. Massive discount. Touched it perfectly. Purple line, buy. Stop loss under the purple line. Sell target of 10, then 15, then 20. Boom. Gave it to you straight. Gave it to you straight. Let's go up the list. I don't care for that one. Let's just go up the list and see what's good. What's good? What do I like? What do I like? Who's going once, going twice, going 3 times sold? Okay, Tesla, I don't care. Tesla's good for long term. I don't like trading it personally, but it's good for long term. I'll say that much. Yeah, Riot is not at the purple line, but the other Bitcoin miners are at the purple line, so I have to give Bitcoin miners the buy signal. Now, stop loss is going to be different depending on the Bitcoin miner, but I give them a buy. Rigetti, if you like quantum stocks, Rigetti and IonQ are a buy. Don't care for healthcare, but if you like healthcare, HIMS is a buy down here at the bottom of the range. Plenty of opportunities. SMH dropped like a hot pocket. What a massive discount. Discounts everywhere, guys. BitF, is that the one that dropped? Yeah. If it goes back to highs, that's a 77% move. I mean, it dropped quite a bit, not back to the purple line, but, on the way back up to new highs, quite a bit of money to be made. Tem calls, it's under the purple line. Anytime this comes under the purple line, like last time here, it's been nothing more than opportunity, right? And then it went to 100 here. So I can't imagine what it's going to go to next. 125. So, load up your leaps if you want to take the risk. I am not loading up calls. No leaps for me. No, thank you. I will stick to good old shares because those have infinite time. There you go. But if you do want to buy your leaps, I mean, at least set a stop under the low here. Because if it does tank, you don't want to be holding no leaps if we decide to tank, crash hard again. Soundhound, look at that, close to the purple line. This is a buy, price target of 2025. Mara under the purple line, key support level. It's a buy here, stop loss under the low of that candle on Friday, and hold for 20 and then 25. There you go. Don't care for Apple APLD. That's just a buy for long term as well. It's a buy. That's it. You don't even need a stop loss for that, in my opinion. I consider it the king of its sector. Uranium, not interested in that one anymore. Nvidia, I am gonna get assigned 100 shares of Nvidia because I sold a put at 187.5, I believe, if I recall. So yeah, I'm gonna be in the red quite a bit because I knew we were gonna pull back. I just didn't expect to dump as hard as we did. I'll be fine. It'll come back to 200 plus and I'll be in the green. Whatever. I don't care. I'll be fine. So, Nvidia is always a buy. Long-term, short-term, swing trade, whatever. No calls for me. Like I said, I like having infinite time. SPY, don't care for SPY. Bull has been disappointing. It's been disappointing, but it's... If you believe this is going to make that move back to 18, back to 15 at least, there's potential for 50 to 80%. So, buy here at 970 or 980 or $10 and set a stop loss at the low of 9.18. Good risk to reward ratio regardless. This is the best time to buy, right? Under the purple line, nice and cheap. I'm not going to jump into that one because I just told you I'm jumping into Soundhound and a bunch of others. I cannot jump into everything. Yeah, I'm in BBAI as well. We got earnings coming up for BBAI that should drop, and it's going to be nice dip opportunity. If it pumps, cool, classic. I'll take the money, right? If it pumps, fantastic. Meta calls. Now's your time to buy your Meta calls. This is it. This is the best time to get the good risk to reward ratio. Too many people were buying Meta calls, short-term dated, like 1 week expiration here, and here, and here. Yeah, they got destroyed because those already, went to zero. So this is why you wait for buyers to show up. This is why you wait. Always wait. You don't have to be the first person to jump in, trying to time the bottom, because that's what those people were doing. Rich Tech Robotics near the purple line, same thing. It's a buy. Sell target at 5, 750, and 10. I'm giving it to you straight. I don't know what to tell you. I cannot tell you, and I could not give it to you any more straight. Netflix under the purple line, same thing. That's the big. That's we're gonna talk about that one later in the video, but that's a good one as well. GRNY ETF, we're doing the 1% challenge on that, so don't worry about that. That'll come back up. It's almost like you buy dips and it comes back up for you. Whoa, what a shocker. CLSK, if Mara's a buy, if BetaF is a buy, then obviously CLSK is a buy. I'm holding a bag, quote unquote, at the top, at $20. Don't care. I'm gonna sell covered calls. Don't care. Yeah, I only use it for covered calls. So not concerned. 1BIT, I expect that one at 20, then 25, then 30. Same thing with Mara. Why am I so confident when I talk? Because I've been there, done that so many times. I don't know what to tell you. Sybil, oh my God, what a massive opportunity. Right at 003s. This whole, please come down even cheaper. I love when people get scared and sell off. I get to buy the discounts and then they can chase it up to me for me for 500% return. Like, look at this. Yes, please, by all means, sell it off. I'm not concerned, not scared, whatever. Let them sell. So I can buy it nice and cheap. Palantir, massive drop, right? Look at that, a nice 17%, 20% discount here, 41% discount, 23% discount. When you get these kinds of discounts, that's when you get excited. You look at the red and you go, yes, please give me Palantir at 80% off. I want it cheaper. TSSI under the purple line, same thing. It's a buy. I don't care for Clove personally, but it's a buy where it's at right now. I don't know anything about it, so not for me. But HUD looking good, same thing. That rhymed. But yeah, HUD looking good. It's a buy, right? It's support, double bottom potential there. It should go back to 153. If it's going to follow NVIDIA and Palantir, it should go to 175, then eventually to 190, then 200, then 210. That just kind of seems to be the pattern. That people love those nice round numbers. So yeah, that's my prediction for HOOD long term. Let's continue up the list. ARGB follows Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes to 150K, this will be at like 50 plus. So, as long as Bitcoin continues to climb higher over the long term, there's no reason not to be afraid of the ETFs, the Bitcoin ETFs. That's why I'm buying only those now. I'm not buying anything else related to Bitcoin. No treasuries for me. Just good old ETFs that follow it one for one. IonQ can suck a... Oh, no. I like IonQ. IonQ is good. RGTI good. Again, I would expect this to eventually hit 100 on the next quantum hype cycle. Not quantum, quantum in the next quantum hype cycle. SoFi, I've been buying as it goes down, and we're making money off of this. It's going to go back to highs, then 40, and then 50. Great earnings, great company, etc., etc. That's a super buy. QBTS, I don't know anything about it, but if it's going to follow quantum, it should go up. I'll say that much. If I skip something, it's because I don't care for it enough to buy it because there's better opportunities elsewhere. But if it's near the purple line and likes to bounce off of it, then obviously it's a buy. But am I buying? Hell no. Probably not, because some of you just trade some really risky stocks, and I'm just like, I like good companies that touch the purple line and bounce, and they keep climbing higher over the long term. BMNR, your time to buy calls is here. Probably if we pump tomorrow, I mean, it's going to be your last chance before it starts running away to wherever the hell it's going to run to. I don't know why people like this one, but people like it. They believe in it, so more power to you. If you're smart, you buy here right now at the purple line. That's all I'm going to say with regards to that. I am not buying that garbage, but maybe one day it will make you a lot of money. Not going to take that bet. Screw that. I'll just take what's consistent and what keeps making me money because it just keeps going up. MP materials, rare earth elements, we're going to need those. Purple line, I don't know why, but we always find buyers at the purple line. I still expect this at 100, then 125, then 150, and so on. It's just going to follow Robinhood, Palantir, and on those others. It's just, I don't know why. It just is. That's it. I don't think I have anything else to say. Am I missing anything? Let me check MSTR real quick because I know Joey Shaw's like excited, like, oh my god, I might not get destroyed on my 50% down calls. If we recover, we should see 300, and then from 300, 350, which would be the purple line, because the purple line is going to act as resistance, right? Here acted as resistance here very clearly. So we would expect a touch of the purple line on the way back up. If we can break and hold above it, then we can finally fluctuate, right? Fluctuate back to potentially 430, then 500. The only concerning part with this stock is that it didn't follow Bitcoin to new highs, right? This should have gone to 600 or something. It didn't. It didn't create that new high like Bitcoin did. So that's concerning. Look at this. It created a new high, and then a new high to 140 or 150. But MSTR didn't do that. So I would caution against the MSTR. This is why I switched over to ARGB, because it follows Bitcoin one for one. That's all I got to say. That's it for the video. Be excited. Be ready. It's actually going to be pretty unexciting. Like, oh, we're going to make money next week if the government opens. Cool. That's not really exciting. That's just kind of like, oh, yeah, we kind of expected that, right? Like, things can't go down forever, just like they can't go up forever. Surprise, right? Keep it simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate it.
Sometimes in life, the gods smile upon you, my friends.
Don't click off just yet, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about this year's bonus play with Netflix stock. If you want to learn more about this play, check out the video in the description below. There will be a link, and you can see the potential for 25 to 50% on this bonus play. So Netflix stock, just a real quick rundown. Trends on the yearly for the past 13 years. It's only had 2 red years and 11 green years. Let that sink in. Again, check it out. Great bonus play. Now let's move on to the next part of the video. Patreon.com/ShadenTrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. As you can see here, Shane, cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. I really appreciate your work. I did take profit. I love this. Jeff, advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. All right, guys, real quick, because people always ask me, how do I join the Discord? So you go to patreon.com/shadesandtrades, click on where it says see membership options, all the way on the right-hand side, join. You should see where it says chats. Click on chats, click on direct messages, and you will get a message from me with the Discord link. That's it for this episode of the Stock Market Show. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.
MacD's crossing, I take my chance. Risk is managed, I let it dance. If it breaks the low, I cut it clean. No room for hope, I trade like a machine.